Professor Divanjit Roy, who is the Assistant Dean of Student Affairs.
Good morning, everyone. So here I am today for another session with you called Campus Rumpus. So without taking much of your time, I would straight away go to a presentation, a small little presentation that I have for you. All work and no play? Nah, never. How else will your creative, interpersonal, social skills be honed? We strive towards your holistic development. So here in Adamas University, we give prime importance to situated learning. Now, what is situated learning? It's learning by activities, learning by doing. Co-curricular activities here are as important as your curricular studies. Before the classes begin, let me tell you, there are as many as 16, yes, you heard it right. There are as many as 16 co-curricular clubs in the campus by the students, of the students, and of course, for you, for the students. Some of the clubs that we have here are the Scribblers Club, the Actomaniacs, Artism, Nature Nurturers, Inquisitive Minds, Kotha Collage, Kissewala. You can see the beautiful logos each and every club has. And you can also see these lovely ladies and gentlemen who are in charge of these clubs. So, want to see a few activities performed by these clubs? Follow me. Well, so now that you know that there are as many as 16 clubs, so which one would you like to join and why? Most importantly, which one would you join and why? So let's take a ride through a small little video presentation these club coordinators have made.
Hello guys, hope you are doing well. You are staying at home. And how is your orientation going? It is good, right? So I am Shumada Bhattacharya, and with me you have Kaustav Biswas.
Hello everyone.
You have both of us as your seniors and as well as your club coordinators. Yes, your dramatic club coordinators, which named the Actomaniacs. You will also be a part of Actomaniacs. So, guys, you have Vinay Krishna Bhattacharya as your faculty mentor. Meet him. So, when everything will be alright, we will meet in our campus, we will hang around, we will go to the cafeteria, we will have a great fun. So guys, what is acting? It is just when you pretend to be someone or something else. It is when you try to portray someone else's feelings as your own. Then it is acting.
So guys, what is drama? Drama is a mode of fictional representation of dialogue and performances. Besides drama or any kind of acting allows us to enter all the social peripheries or all the social status. Individually, it helps us to become a better person altogether.
Now this is the time to talk about the goals of the Actomaniac. We want to make learning enjoyable as much as we can, to inculcate the new techniques, to bring out the best from us.
So, welcome and be a part of the Actomaniacs.
Welcome to the Actomaniacs.
Greetings everyone. This is Dr. Shankhita Shannan, faculty mentor of the film club Kissewala. Film, movie, picture, cholochitro, chobi, boi. We gave cinema a lot of names. Starting as a medium of entertainment, cinema has now become a part of our culture. being the amalgamation of existing art forms, it has been long that cinema can no more be defined just as a successful industry. It has now truly proven itself to be one of the most creative forms of art. From the era of magic lanterns and bioscopes to the present days of OTT, moving images are all about telling stories. Stories visualized by man and told by camera. We are here to watch a lot of films, listen to the stories, read, write, analyze and debate about them. We are here to see between the scenes and pay tribute to the greatest visual stories.
Hey, this is Shogata Mondal. I am a student of English department from the School of Liberal Arts and Cultural Studies. I am one of the coordinator of our film club, Kissewala. Photography and videography is my main passion. Nowadays, cinema and film is our part of our life. I am sure that we will be the part of this beautiful journey through Kissewala. We will surely have a lots of stories for you in this club. Hope we will enjoy together. Thank you.
Hi, this is Tina Choudhury. I am a student of Journalism and Mass Communication from the School of Media, Communication and Fashion. Now I am in UG3 and I am one of the coordinators of our film club, Kissewala. Now, this cinema or film is an important part of our media studies. Life is all about stories, and our duty is to tell that stories to the larger audiences. To make a film, we have to start with the detailed planning, then have to execute it properly. And believe me, this whole thing is an amazing journey. And I'm sure that we will be a part of this beautiful journey very soon. We will surely have a lot of stories to tell, to listen, a lot of things to see and discuss. And through Kissewala, we will definitely make a culture to understand what cinema is. Thank you.
পাখি কেমনে আসে যায় খাঁচার ভিতর আছে পাখি কেমনে আসে যায় তারে ধরতে পারলে মন বেরি ধরতে পারলে মন বেরি দিতাম পাখির পায় কেমনে আসে যায় খাঁচার ভিতর আছে পাখি কেমনে আসে যায়
নতুন দিনে বন্ধু হতে কবিতা বলার আড্ডাতে এসো এসো পাশে বসো প্রাণ খুলে খুব ভালোবাসো আমাদের ওই আলো সবুজ ক্যাম্পাসে চলো কবিতা ছড়াই ঘাসে ঘাসে
Hello and welcome to Adamas University. We are from Kotha College. We love poetry, we recite, we are passionate about the stage. We are the anchors. We are in love with microphones. We are purely freedom seekers. We exist, we cherish, we express to impress. Would you love to join us?
Where the mind is without fear and the head is held high. Where the knowledge is free. Where the world has not been broken up into fragments by narrow domestic walls. না আমাদের কোনো দেওয়াল নেই আমরা এক আকাশের নিচে দাঁড়িয়ে সবাই সবার ভাষায় কথা বলি আচ্ছা ভাষার কথা বলতে মনে পড়লো দেখো তো এই ভাষাকে তোমরা চেনো?
मंजु विकच कुसुम कुंज मधुप शब्द गंज गुंज कुंजर गति गंज गमन मंजुल कुल नारी नाचते युग भुरु भुजंग कालिया दमन दमन रंग संगिनी सब रंग पहिरे रंगिल नील साड़ी आह रंगिल नील साड़ी কি চেনা গেল? এই ভাষায় শ্রী রাধিকা কথা বলতেন শ্রীকৃষ্ণের সঙ্গে। আমাদের সঙ্গে আড্ডা এলে দেখবে একদিন তুমিও স্টেজের ভয় কাটিয়ে মাইকের সামনে দাঁড়িয়ে খুব সুন্দর
আমি তোমাদের রবি ঠাকুরের একটা কবিতা বলে শোনা। ওরে নবী, ওরে আমার কাঁচা, ওরে সবুজ, ওরে অবুজ, আত্মরাদের ঘা মেরে তুই বাঁচা, রক্ত আলোর মদে মাতাল করে, আজকে যে যা বলে বলুক তোরে, সকল তর্ক হেলাই তুচ্ছ করে, উচ্চটি তোর উচ্চে তুলে নাচা, আয় দুরন্ত আয় রে আমার কাঁচা, আয় দুরন্ত আয় রে আমার কাঁচা।
তবে আমাদের দলে কিন্তু একজন প্রফেসরও আছেন, চোখে মোটা চশমা, গুরু বড় গম্ভীর, আমাদের হরেক জ্বালাতনে রাত দিন অস্থির, লাগে গম্ভীর, আসলেতে গুরু কুল। ওহে ভায়া, আজকে বসন্ত, ফুটেছে যে এত ফুল, গাছের নিচে দাঁড়িয়ে আছে গাছের মতো, ফুল ফুটেছে সেই মানুষের বুকের ধারে, পাতা শাখায় হারিয়ে গেছে মূর্তি তাহার, গাছের কাছে পারলে হারে, গাছের নিচে দাঁড়িয়ে আছে গাছের মতো, ফুল ফুটেছে সেই মানুষের বুকের ধারে।
ফুল ফুটুক কিংবা না ফুটুক, আজই কিন্তু বসন্ত। আজ তোমরা এসেছো আমাদের কাছে, আর সেই আনন্দে আমাদের মনে, আমাদের ক্যাম্পাসে নানা রঙের ফুল ফুটেছে। তাহলে চলো আমরা সবাই মিলে কথা, কবিতায়, আড্ডায় ভরিয়ে তুলি আমাদের নিজস্ব কথা কোলাজ। সবাই ভালো থেকো, দেখা হবে নিশ্চয়ই। শুভেচ্ছা, অভিনন্দন।
CSM is The university is serving to the society, to the people of the society. The students of this university have joined in this club. They are doing their best to serve to the society. Through them, the university is doing its duty to the society. The objective of our club is arousing awareness of love, peace, and empathy among the people in the society. We know that these qualities are decreasing day by day throughout the world. So it's our duty to increase those qualities again in the society, among the people, throughout the universe, to the planet. We have done few projects like food distribution in and around university, like 6 villages, the no plastic awareness, free education for needy children, and we have planned something more to serve. And we hope that we can do that. We believe in Ubuntu. That means I am because we are. We belong to the society. Society has done for us from our childhood. Society has served us. But this is now our turn to return back to the society. Without us, society doesn't exist. So, this is our motto, to serve the society through this university. We can do that. Getting the quiz lessons.
Hi everyone, I am Dr. Koshi Banerjee, the faculty mentor of the music club of the Adamas University. The club was inaugurated on September 2019. Presently, we have more than 150 members who are actively associated to the cultural activities that are organized all the year round in the university. We have 2 student coordinators, Jivak Chakraborty and Ornesha Das. It is established with the purpose of creating a favorable condition to practice, perform and create a musical environment which will indirectly enhance our mental music bonding. Faculties are also equally invited to engage themselves in the club activities. With flexible operation progress to ensure time for members, club schedule is usually changed to be suitable for studying timetable flexibility every semester. Members will be guided to practice singing and playing musical instruments such as guitar, drum by other members. We believe in peer learning and this will in fact help in developing group activities.
I am Jivak Chakraborty and I am the student coordinator of the music club. And I am also studying in the 3rd year of English Honors. Our music club was previously inaugurated as Rhapsody Club since September 2019, and now it has been renamed as Musicora. The music club encourages talents in musical instrument as well as vocals. Club members participate in all the cultural activities of the college and also in the inter-college and inter-university functions such as Orientation 2019, Program for Foreign Students in Summer Camp, Agomoni, Christmas, Rabindra Jayanti, Matribhasha Divas, and Holi. Screening is arranged as part of single selection before every event, and with the best of talents, the bands are also formed. Our club is active and has successfully taken part in many music fests and won prizes including awards in IIT KGP Fest.
Hi everyone, this is Anvesha Das, student coordinator of Musikoram Club and also a final year student of Computer Science Engineering, School of Engineering and Technology. Welcome you all to the orientation program of 2020. Music acts as stress buster and provides calmness and mental peace. Music gives a soul to the universe, brings to the mind, life to imagination, and life to everything, as quoted by Plato. So, we are here to give life into everything. Musikoram Club aims to create a strong bonding among all and to facilitate the exchange of musical ideas, develop an appreciation for music, and boost up musical development. Every year, training is given and preparations are made for organizing different musical events in the college grounds. Opportunities are provided to budding musicians to explore their talents. Rehearsals and guidance are also provided for competitions. All interested students with a musical bent of mind are welcome to join as members of the Musikoram Club.
I am Kasturi Mukherjee, the faculty coordinator of Dance Club. Along with me, I have Ananya Chakraborty and Shayantan Sharkar as the student coordinators. Throughout the year, from the Dance Club, we organize lots of dance activities and we support lots of dance forms, various type of dance styles and forms. I have a small video with me. Allow me to play that video so that you understand what are the recent activities that have been organized by our student in recent dates.
Everything, fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright.
I know you have liked it, and now I would like to request Ananya Chakraborty, one of the student coordinators, to speak a few words to our new students. Ananya, over to you.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Ananya Chakraborty from BTech Biotech 4th year and a student coordinator of Jhonkar. We have lots of plans to do in upcoming days, and I think some of you will be super excited to join our club. And if you have any queries, please feel to contact us. Thank you.
So now I would request Ms. Rini Nandi, the faculty mentor of the Writers Club, to please take over. Ms. Nandi.
So, hello everyone. Welcome to the Scribblers Club. This is a forum for the budding writers. Okay, expressing ourselves in words makes us who we are. The myriad emotions felt by us create a plethora of images which can best be expressed through words. We have planned a lot of events for you, and we will also be guiding you in order to help you out to write better. So let us create and express together. Hope to see you soon. I am also joined with me by two student coordinators, Neha Sarkar and Nazir Ahmed. I would now like to hand over to Nazir Ahmed for his views and words about our club. Thank you.
This is Nazir Ahmed from Writers Club. Here in this club, we emphasize on writing skills, not only for us ourselves, but to make our society in which we live in a more vibrant and spontaneous one. Writing is very important when we consider that expressing ourselves make us a better human being. That is, that when we express ourselves, it gives us legitimacy to everyone to express themselves. And when we express, be it negative or positive, it makes the world a different place. And if we might not make this world a better place, but we should make this world a different place. রবীন্দ্রনাথ ঠাকুরকে একবার জিজ্ঞেস করা হয়েছিল, আপনি কি আপনার আগামী প্রজন্মের কাছ থেকে অন্য কিছু চান না নতুন কিছু চান? তখন উনি বলেছেন, আমি আমার আগামী প্রজন্মের কাছ থেকে এমন কিছু চাই যেটা আমি কখনো চেষ্টা করিনি কিন্তু তারা সেটা করবে। So we want from our next generation something not particularly better, but something particularly different. So we do not know if the world will be a better place if we write or not, but it will be a different place, and that's something which we must aspire to. Over on to my faculty mentor.
So I would now request Ms. Moushumi Ghosh, the faculty mentor of the Public Speaking Club, which is better known as the Eloquence Forum, to take over. Ms. Ghosh.
Yes, good afternoon, everyone. Thank you, ma'am, for that introduction. I am the faculty of Adamos University and also a part of Eloquence Forum. A very warm welcome to all of you. I also happen to be the mentor of this club, and besides that, there are two other coordinators who are involved in this. One is Rohit Mazumdar and the other one is Onindita Shi. So what is Eloquence Forum? This forum deals with basically public speaking. We together will learn how to speak in front of hundreds and thousands of audience, shedding out those fears and inhibitions which all we have. Also, I would like to talk about the mission. The motto of our club would be to bring the best of an individual, to nurture their talents. Some of the activities which will be followed are GDs, TED Talks, debates, extempore, and all of these. So next, I would like to introduce one of the coordinators of this club, Eloquence Forum. He was a part of this and also involved now. Let's hear it from him. Over to you, Rohit.
Eloquence Forum is basically a public speaking club whose main focus is in developing the soft skills and leadership skills of one. It's a club where we not only learn from books, but learn from implementing ourselves in practical scenarios of life. Now coming to the visions of this club. Well, everybody is in university, right? Each human being is gifted in a different way and creative in many things. So, but it's very necessary to present ourselves in front of the audience. And exactly we are here for that, to show you the right way how to present yourself in front of an audience. 1 year before, I was also a student like you, who used to fear how to present himself in front of so many people. And see, today I'm speaking in front of all of you. If I can, I'm sure you also can. So let's just join hands and come together in Eloquence Forum and be a confident individual and learn fun activities and gain professional skills in life. Thank you.
Now I would request Ms. Shudipa Chakraborty, the faculty mentor of the Entrepreneurship Club of Adamos University, to please speak a few lines about the vision, mission, and the activities of the club.
Hello, young minds. I believe that all of you are bubbling with ideas, the ideas which, not let you sleep properly. Some ideas which, are really challenging and you really want to make something out of that. So here, I take this opportunity as a faculty mentor of the Entrepreneurship Club, Adamos University, which started its journey from 2017. And from 2017, we are, really very happy to receive a huge response from across the university. Definitely, we are in the, role looking out for innovators. And to create the leaders of tomorrow. So without getting into much of the statement, I would hand over to the entire space to my student coordinator, Mr. Shayan Kormokar. Let us hear from the horse's mouth itself.
And I want to welcome all my juniors to their new journey, and I hope you all are doing great. I'm the founding student member of Entrepreneurship Club. I have been there from the beginning. I'd like to say that if you have any idea or if you want to do something bigger than getting a 9-to-5 job and create employment for others and make an impact in the society, Entrepreneurship Club will guide you and assist you on doing that. Just join us to get amazing opportunities and take your career to the next level. I have been able to start and run 2 of my own companies, and I am working for it right now, and my career has taught me a lot of things that a conventional career won't teach you. So I'll be looking forward to seeing you. Thank you so much. Now I'm handing over to Sudeepa ma'am for a final note.
Yeah, thank you, Shayan. And we do have, lots of activities heading forward and waiting for all of you. Just a glimpse of few activities where our participants have, competed nationally in Smart 50 hosted by MHRD and IIM Calcutta. So this is it, that we believe that a little spark is enough to set the fire. And we believe in failures, we let you all fail, and then only you get the, the encouragement to strive and work harder. So what you need to do is think about the solution for every problem and try to sell the problem, not the product. So this is Sudeepa Chakraborty, Faculty Mentor, Entrepreneurship Club, signing off. Over to you, Debanjali ma'am, and thank you.
So I would now request Dr. Arindam Mitro, the Faculty Mentor of the Quiz Club, to take over from here.
In India, we had, back in the 80s and 90s, we have a popular quiz program called Quiz Time. It is conducted by Siddharth Basu. And it was very popular. Nowadays, people are following KBC, and in US, quiz shows like Jeopardy, Who Wants to Be Millionaire, they are extremely popular because not only they're engaging, but they're also enlightening. They help us to learn about the various facets of our daily lives and many other aspects. So here is a brief presentation about the club, its vision, mission, and the activities that we have organized on behalf of our club. So this is the club logo, and our motto is Inquisitive Minds, because Inquisitive Minds means that it basically, the club promotes the inquisitiveness within students and learners. So I'm the faculty member, mentor for this club. I'm also associate professor in the Department of Microbiology at Adamas University. And in our club, we have 2 active student coordinators. They are both from the Department of Microbiology, Shwarna Shaw and Nilanjan Chakraborty from BSc Microbiology and MSc Microbiology, pursuing their studies in the 2nd year. So the vision of our club is to share and disseminate knowledge, because knowledge is the driving force for the human curiosity. And the curiosity, again, on the other hand, drives the knowledge. So they complement each other, and together they foster inquisitiveness. And that's why our club is also known as the Inquisitive Mind. We also want to create an awareness of diverse, socially relevant, and technologically related topics. And all in the form of bringing a camaraderie among a fellowship, a friendship among all participants via knowledge sharing through these activities of the Quiz Club. There are various strategies that we devised to achieve the goals of the club. We organized many quizzes regularly on timely themes. We not only quizzes, but we also conduct riddle and puzzle solving competition to challenge your mind. And third, we also conduct treasure hunt competitions to engage our students. Let us look at some of the activities that we have organized. And for this part of the presentation, I would like to invite Nilanjan Chakraborty, who is one of the student coordinator of the quiz club. The quiz events that we organized regularly during our orientation program from 2015 to 2019, and we are also planning one quiz this year as well, on 22nd. To facilitate and to get the inspiration from Indian scientists, we actually organized a quiz to highlight the contribution of Indian scientists on National Science Day on February 28, 2019. We also organized a quiz during Adinova in 2020. So our club has been extremely busy. We also have a particular section called Inquisitive section in our quarterly magazine of the Adamas University Times, which is the quarterly magazine of Adamas University. During this pandemic time, we also organized various web quizzes to engage and to enlighten our students. And these are some of the examples. And we keep engaging our students with various kind of our quiz-related activities, riddles, puzzles, all this. These are held throughout the year. We welcome you to the club. And thank you very much for listening to this presentation.
Now I would request Dr. Indrani Ghosh, the faculty mentor of Environment Club, to please take over.
I'm Indrani Ghosh, faculty mentor of the Environment Club, Nature Nurturers. And Srijan Chatterjee and Sukanti Sahu are, as I call them, two of my warriors, student coordinators of our club. Let me take this opportunity to share my views or my motivation for joining this club. Our planet Earth is existing since last 4.5 billion years, while we human beings appeared only around 40 to 50,000 years ago. However, in the short span of time, we wreaked havoc on all the existing developmental earth processes. And the Industrial Revolution perhaps catalyzed this process, where we got more dissociated from our nature. We forgot that we need our planet more than planet needs us. We rely on nature for food, for energy, for everything that we need. However, modern economic development, if you look at, is almost synonymous to nature and habitat destruction. So is it true that nothing can be done? No, still there is a ray of hope or a window of hope, but it depends on changing attitude. We at the Adamas University Environment Club dream of a cleaner, livelier, healthier world. We aim to create awareness, sensitivity, and sense of belongingness with environment by various activities that we'll be talking about. My student coordinator, Sukanti, will be talking about. So I welcome you all to join this club. We nature nurturers will try our best effort. We put our best effort. We will join hands to make this earth a better place to live in. With this, thank you. I request Sukanti to take over. Over to you, Sukanti.
Myself, Sukanti Sahu, coordinator of the Environment Club. So what is environment? Environment is simply anything and everything around us. It plays an important role in healthy living and for the existence of life on earth. So we need to keep our environment clean. Our club will conduct a few activities like cleaning, planting. We will also conduct awareness programs to make people understand to maximize the use of dustbins rather than throwing the garbages here and there, to minimize the use of polythenes and to skip to paper bags. A healthy body requires a healthy environment. To work for the environment, to work for the nature, one needs to love nature. One should be able to feel the damages done to the environment every day. So, if you have fire in you, you want to work for your environment, then you should definitely join our club. Thank you.
Now, before I proceed to the next club, which is titled the Book Club, or rather as they call themselves, the Inklings, let me ponder upon the session. The session is titled Campus Rumpus, and rumpus, which means noise. So the reason why we have these student coordinators and the faculty mentors today is because we would like to hear some noise from you. So after this session, we have an interactive round coming up where you will get to interact with the student coordinators as well as the faculty mentors of these clubs of your choice. So moving on to the faculty mentor of the book club, Mr. Ognibho Banerjee. Mr. Banerjee, I would request you to take over.
My name is Ogniva Banerjee. I'm an assistant professor at the Department of English, Adamos University. I am the faculty mentor of the book club. We call ourselves the Inklings. At the Inklings, our objective is to read a wide variety of books across multiple genres. We are collaborating with the London Science Fiction Research Community based in the UK and with the Safe Ancient Studies group in New York to give our club an international dimension. Participating with book lovers from all over the world, we aim to inculcate in young minds new ways of reading the book that is the world. I would now like to pass the baton to one of our student coordinators, Vasundhara, who will talk to you about the activities of the club. Thank you once again. Over to you.
First of all, very, very nice to meet you all today. So, as previously mentioned, the Inklings promise not to make reading as boring as we usually think it to be. Instead, we will conduct interesting activities to make our club a very interesting one. So, how shall we do it? First, we will conduct lively discussion sessions where there will be debates, quizzes, brainstorming, and much more. Then, through our mentors groups in countries like New York and London, we will have lively international forums. Then, last but not the least, collaborating with the other clubs of Adamos University like the dance club, the recitation club, and the drama club, we will make our childhood stories and our adulthood stories very interesting. And we will turn it into life. So, many ideas are still waiting for, many ideas are still secret for you people to reveal. So, there is an open invitation from the Inklings to join. Thank you. Till then, happy learning.
So thank you, Ms. Dasgupta. Now I would proceed to Ms. Rupamita Das Mahapatra, the faculty mentor of Robotics and the Artificial Intelligence Club of Adamos University.
I am Rupamita Das Mahapatra, ma'am. I am the faculty mentor of Robotics and Artificial Intelligence. The club is related to robotics and along with intelligence, which is provided artificially. Now, almost all of you have little idea about robotics, but if you join in this club, you will be not only learning more, you will be exploring your knowledge through projects. And you will be doing projects related to manual, autonomous robotics, aerial vehicle, drone, and club coordinator and other member, they will help you to do all the work. And we have presently two club coordinators named as Aritra Sarkar and Aditi Mitra. They will guide you, and also other club member, they will guide you that how to do the projects and what are the outcomes of the project. And artificial intelligence will add extra essence in robotics as it gives robots a computer vision to navigate sense and calculate their reaction accordingly. Now, I want to introduce one of our club coordinator, Aditi Mitra. And Aditi, please over to you and provide the information related to club. Thank you. Thank you, Devanjali.
Hello, everyone. First of all, a very warm welcome to all of you present over here. Myself, Aditi Mitra, the club coordinator of Robotics and Artificial Intelligence Club. So, as we all know, we are in a phase of a growing world of technology where robotics plays a very important role to create and innovate in the coming future. Apart from the works and project done over here, our club also made 8 hand sanitization machines which are completely touch-free, which is a very basic requirement during this phase of COVID-19. Now, without wasting much time, I would like to show you all a very small video describing the various projects done in our club.
Welcome to the Robotics and AI Club of Adamos University. We provide you the platform to learn and bring about your innovative ideas into life. We provide skill development sessions to the new members and also arrange workshops and various technical fests for skill development.
Apart from this, our club also arrange workshops for the school students, thereby nurturing their skills of learning more about the tech world.
We initiate to bring out collective ideas to create various AI-operated machines.
Such as Bluetooth car, which is Bluetooth controlled robotic bot that can be controlled by Bluetooth of our smartphone.
students work to construct equipments like drones, hand gesture controlled boards, and other technical programs. So, want to create something new? Here we are with our Robotics and AI Club to give an opportunity to the young minds for better innovation in the future.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
You all have liked the video. So at the end, I would like to say, if you want to create and work for the technology in the upcoming future, we welcome you to our Robotics and Artificial Intelligence Club. Thank you so much.
I would now request Ms. Nobumita Dey, the faculty mentor of the Health Club, to speak a few lines about the activities planned and the vision and mission of the Health Club of Adamas University. Ms. Dey.
As far as the name of the club goes, we are going to not only keep our health in a proper condition, but rather we will be taking care of our mental health as well. The thing is, as far as we are getting to see nowadays, due to this present situation of the COVID situation, we are getting through a lot of stress, a lot of anxiety, a lot of agitations in our mind, and being a budding mind, these all things come in such a way that we always want to express somewhere, but somehow we can't. So that is why in our club, we will be actually taking up activities, talking to each others, and then listening to mentors and other eminent speakers who will actually help us, or rather groom us to become a new you. So that is why about the objectives and the specific activities, I would like to introduce one of my student coordinators, Naved Raj, and now it's over to you, Naved.
It's good to see you all here. So yeah, the CrossFit gives you an opportunity to meeting new people and essentially learning skills as various activities we have pointed out. Like we will having seminars and webinars on by calling renowned nutritionists, and we will also having yoga sessions, meditating sessions, and moreover we will take care of the mental health of the students who are really struggling with this compact routine of 9:30 to 5:30. So yeah, we will looking forward to take care the education and fitness at the same scale. And beside these all things, this club also helps you to improve, your presence towards the world, your the self-confidence you are looking into, and we will surely help you to live a beautiful and wonderful life from inside.
I would now request Dr. Manoj Kumar Singh to speak a few lines about the Biotechnology Club of Adamas University.
I am Dr. Manoj Kumar Singh. I am the mentor of Biotechnology Club. We have two coordinators, Somajit Chandra and Anvesha Bose. We believe that we cannot confine education in a syllabus. So there are students who think out of the box. It can be from any field, but the application should be in the field of biotechnology. We are having Anvesha Bose with us. So Anvesha Bose, please, over to you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much, sir. So I welcome you all to Adamas Biotechnology Club. I'm Anvesha Bose, student coordinator of Adamas Biotechnology Club. I would like to brief you the amazing journey of our club in just a short time span of a year. So I would like to showcase some of the activities performed by our members. For example, we have tried to prepare a setup of hydroponics unit using waste, organic waste, as well as through rainwater harvesting. We tried to prepare delicious probiotic ice cream. We made some surface cleaner using lemon peels. We prepared hand sanitizer from aloe vera extract as well as herbal abir, which was made chemical free. Not only that, but also we tried to prepare an adulteration detection kit to detect adulteration in the spices we use on a daily basis. We, in the Vasant Utsav 2020 held in our university, organized an awareness program to see about the benefits of using herbal abir instead of the chemical colors available in the market. We also organized a competition on plate painting, microbial plate painting in Adinova, our college fest in 2020. Even in lockdown, we tried to keep our students motivated and active throughout by organizing certain online activities. For example, we organized a lecture series on current COVID-19 updates from different industry as well as our academic persons. Even during lockdown, we didn't stop our activities. We kept our students motivated and kept active. For example, we organized some lecture series from different industry as well as different professors from academic field from both India as well as outside of India on the current COVID-19 research updates. We collected different research innovative ideas from our students so that the best can be implemented after the lockdown as the college reopens. We also tried to provide some awareness program to the world by us through creating some creative collages also. Now to showcase our achievements, we grabbed the first prize in Tech Fest of Adamas University Tech Jagran 2019. Some of our students have also grabbed the second runners-up prize in the Young Entrepreneurship Summit held in Pune in 2020. A few of our students have also grabbed the first prize in Tech Fest of IIT Kharagpur, Kshitij, in the biomimicry event. We have a lot more ideas to be implemented. We need your support. We need you in our club, and we will encourage you to implement your ideas. We will give you a better platform to implement the innovative ideas within you. Welcome. So I welcome you all to our club, to our university. Let's manipulate the gene for a better world. Thank you so much for your patience and cooperation.
Now, before we end this session, or rather go to the interactive session with the student coordinators, we have a small little surprise for you. And for that, I would request Ms. Rimi Nandi, the faculty mentor of the Writers Club, to unfold that secret for you. Excited? Let's watch out.
I would like to tell you about the events prepared for you all on the 22nd. Okay, so each of the clubs have come up with various events for you all, which you can participate in. Apart from that, there is a short talent hunt show where you are supposed to participate. For this purpose, if any of you want to submit a short video, a dance video, music, or writing, anything in order to showcase your talent, I will be sharing an email ID in the chat box soon, where videos or whatever you want to show. Okay, so I hope that by now you have also filled up the club forms, and this will be the one that I'll be sharing with you. This is an email ID, so please do not confuse between the two. This email ID is for submitting short videos or writing in order to showcase your talent, which will be telecast on the 22nd. Thank you, Devanjali. Over to you.
Thank you, Ms. Nandi. So I believe that's exciting. Posting your video clips, dance, song, recitation, musical instrument. Just unlock your imagination. Just give wings to your imagination and show us what you are made of. Show us your skills. And we will definitely show that to you once again, to the others on 22nd when we return for the Saturday Night Fever. So before we close this session today and, announce a lunch break, I would request you to raise your hands should you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, or maybe if you would like to interact with us, have a comment to us, please feel free to drop. I would request you to raise your hand so the IT team may allow you to speak to us directly.
Yeah, ma'am, I'm asking that if I'm choosing two clubs now, if I want to change my clubs to some other, can I in latter times?
Sure you may. But for this session, I would request you, Shreyoshi, it would have been really nice if I could see you. So this is a virtual orientation and nevertheless, so I would request you to select two clubs right now, enroll yourself for this session, and after that, feel free to explore the other opportunities available. You are absolutely free to do so.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Hi there. Who's
Thank
this?
you, ma'am.
Thank you, dear.
Hello. Yes, ma'am. I'm Opia Mukherjee, and I have a question, ma'am. I have filled the form for the clubs. Ma'am, how will I know that whether the response is submitted? Means, will I get any email confirmation?
I don't think you will be getting any confirmation email because this is a Google form which has been circulated. We will, this form, it contains your, you have to provide your email ID, right? If you have seen the Google form, it asks for your email ID.
Yes, ma'am.
So when you fill that up, the club coordinators will reach back to you. So you need not worry.
Ma'am, I have a question that just now you have announced that we can upload a video that will be portrayed on 22nd. So is there any kind of time limit regarding that video that we have to do by this certain
there
time?
is a time
or not?
limit. The time limit
Oh
is
yeah,
three.
I missed it.
This is for
I'm really
everyone
sorry.
listening. The time limit is 3 minutes. So thank you, Aratrika, for asking this question. So if you are uploading your video, maybe playing a musical instrument, taking a selfie, a photograph maybe, then dancing, singing, whatever you are good in. So please limit it to a 3 minutes barrier. Thank you so much,
Sorry,
Aratrika.
I
Any
just
other questions
interrupted
from
you.
your end?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you want to ask any
Hello, ma'am. This is Arpudip Chatterjee.
Ma'am, I was about to ask a second question that if I'm gonna upload on a music video, can I do something like a mashup, or I have to do a full song?
I didn't catch your question, my dear.
Can I do a mashup on a certain genre?
A mashup, you mean?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you may do that. Absolutely your choice. It's your video. We are nobody to, censor it. It's absolutely your choice.
Thank you.
So
Thank
whatever
you.
you think you are good in, your skills, feel free to share it with us.
Hello, ma'am. This is Arpudip Chatterjee.
Hello, ma'am.
Ma'am, I want to ask that I saw the photography club integrated with painting and sculpture. Do I have to focus on 3 or only photography?
See, we don't have the photography club coordinator right now with us. Otherwise, we would have, made a tete-a-tete with you and the coordinator or the mentor per se. So I think, I can't assure completely, but I believe that if you are interested in simply photography, they will accept you. So it's not that you have to be, inclined towards photography, sculpture, or painting. So you may have an inclination towards one of these, and you will be happily enrolled in the session. I think Mr. Samantha and the student coordinators will be happy to have you.
Ma'am, I am asking that music and singing, is there included singing?
I mean, you mean to say
Is
that
there
if you...
included drums or piano or everything is there?
Sure, obviously, because see, if we limit ourselves to singing, then it would have been simple music, singing club, right? But when we are, branding it as the music quorum or the music club, so definitely I believe they will be having instruments. And which instrument do you play, Deep?
I am Dhrubodhar, I play drums.
Oh, wow. So I believe Dr. Banerjee, Dr. Koshay Banerjee would be, happy to guide you and have you in her club.
Hello, ma'am. I'm Subhadeep.
Okay. Hi, Shubhajit.
Subhadeep, ma'am.
Shubhadeep. Hi. Yeah.
Ma'am, are there any sports club, ma'am?
Sports club, yes, but we do not have a sports club, but we definitely have a sports section, which is headed by eminent personalities. So through your orientation process, you will be introduced to the sports section as well. So it's not a co-curricular club, but it is more or less, you can say a mandatory, activity. So definitely.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, it's
and
there.
one more question, ma'am. Can I post my photography? Ma'am, can I post my photography videos in the email?
For the 22nd talent show?
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am.
Sure, go ahead. Absolutely.
Hello, ma'am. This is Akshata Chetri.
Hi, Akshata.
Ma'am, actually, I wanted to ask that in how many clubs we can participate, or like what are the number of clubs we can just go and give our names?
See, there are 16 clubs in total
ma'am.
right now. 64 curricular clubs we have in Adamus University. So for this session, you may enroll yourself in any two. So if you see the Google form, there is an option for clicking or for checking 2 boxes out of the 16 options which will be given there. So you may select any 2 clubs. If you were there during the presentation which I showed, you must be knowing what the clubs are up to, what they do, what are they planning to do, etc. So I believe that is clear to you, Akshata, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Hello,
It's
ma'am.
clear.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
our
actually, I
orientation
wanted to
class
ask a
will
second
finish.
question that, ma'am, are we, when we go to some like club, then are they supposed to take us or are we supposed to select them?
You are absolutely free to select any 2 clubs, and after that, these club coordinators, your seniors, of course. So these people, they have planned a wonderful introductory event for you. So they will welcome you with wide stretched hands, SRK style, and they will, of course, plan a good little event for you. So you don't need to worry. You provide your email ID in the Google form as circulated by Rimi ma'am. So over there, the email address that you provide, we will reach out to you. You don't need to worry.
Thank you, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am. Hello, ma'am. I'm Sujit Kaur. I'm interested to public speaking club. I have a question, ma'am. I can join.
Just a second, Shudeep. Do we have the public speaking representative, Miss Moshumi Ghosh, or the student representative?
I'm there, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes,
ma'am. Hello, ma'am. I can join any program like debate and speech program in this college.
Yes. We will do certain events, for example, debates or group discussions, extempores. We also did an event named Stand Up Comedy in January. So we are hoping for you all to join and do it, in a very fruitful manner.
I'm interested for like this event.
Sorry, I have a question. Sorry, I have a question. So when you say that you are planning a stand-up comedy, can everybody join that? I mean, say for example, I'm a student and I have enrolled myself in the dance club. Can I join that event?
Yes, of course, open-heartedly. Of course, anyone and everyone can join this.
Okay, ma'am. Hello, good afternoon. And I was having a question for the film department, the club department, that is Kissewala. I really want to know more about that club because I really don't know what is going to be in there. And I am really confused in taking film or drama. I'm really confused about that. I'm passionate about dance. I'm taking that club, but I'm really confused about drama and film. I really want to know what is...
Let me see if we have the representatives of the film or the drama club. Any representative from the film club do we have? Or the drama club?
Yes, ma'am. I'm there.
Hello, ma'am. Will I receive any documentation regarding the club I participated in?
I'm sorry, I didn't catch your question, my dear.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, will I receive any documentation regarding the club I am taking part in?
What kind of documentation do you want?
I mean, will I receive that, yes, so-and-so is a member of this club?
Yes,
any
of course, you will be
regarding
receiving
that?
the email. And after you start the activities, definitely you will have the official validation. Because all these clubs have been validated by Adamus University authorities.
Hello, ma'am. I'm
Okay,
Priyasha.
ma'am,
Can I upload
Ma'am, my
my
question is not
What
clear.
is the schedule of this club?
Now, this is Rumpus.
Ma'am, I'm
This is
Kushabon. I want
annoying.
to join
Yeah.
this club.
Ma'am, my question.
Ma'am, what
I'm
will be
sorry,
the
I just
schedule
left
of this
someone
club?
with a hanging question somewhere. So,
Yeah,
do we
ma'am,
have
it's
a
me.
representative of Kissewala and the Actomaniacs? Is here
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
I'm there. I'm Shumedha from
Hi,
Actomaniacs.
Shumedha.
I'm there.
Shumedha from Actomaniacs, I would request you to answer the question.
Yes. Please ask again the question. What's
Hello,
your doubt?
ma'am. So my doubt is, what is the difference between the film club and the drama clubs? What are the difference? I know drama will have to perform in there, but what is the difference between both of these? Because I'm really very confused which to select actually.
So if I get the, you know, these clubs, the club aims right, the theater club is more concerned about honing your acting skills, whereas the film club, it was more, it is also related to your acting skills. They may be planning to shoot a short video and something like, I don't know, a short script and anything, but it will be in a film, and they will be watching a lot of films. You will be discussing about the various film directors all around the world. You will be analyzing a film critically. I believe that is something that they are planning at. Unfortunately, we do not have the representatives of the film club today, but I'll be happy to, you know, let them have a talk with you. If you drop me an email with your name and your department, I will be directing your question to the concerned club. Now, my question to you, did you like the session? Did you like the interaction with your seniors, with the faculty mentors and myself?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you like the session?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Looking
Yes, ma'am.
forward to meeting you all. Now,
Ma'am, what is your email ID? Where we can contact you?
Hello, ma'am. Thank all the student coordinators, all the faculty mentors who were present today for the session, all the student mentors, I'm sorry, the student coordinators and the faculty mentors who, made this video for you, for your viewing, as well as for their hard work that they all have put in to constitute the clubs, to design the activities, think of the vision, and of course, planning to welcome you. And I would also like to thank the IT team who have been supporting me through this session.